Greetings, my dear friends. If today's joke gave you a chuckle, don't forget to subscribe. It's free, and it'll make us even closer as friends. A farmer's wife had an affair with a maple tree. She was ashamed of her actions, but her husband was always so busy with his farm work and rarely had time to tend to her needs. Once she became pregnant, the farmer had his suspicions. But after the baby was born, he was all but convinced the child wasn't his. She denied any wrongdoing, but the farmer was incensed and demanded she take a lie detector test to prove her innocence. In the end, she failed the test and was charged with the crime of treason. A man calls to the hotel's receptionist, and he says, "Hello, bye." "Hello, I'm in room 620. Please send someone here immediately. I'm having an argument with my wife, and she's saying that she's going to jump out of the window." The receptionist says, "I'm sorry, sir, but that's your personal problem." To which the man gets angry, and he yells, "Listen, the window is not opening, and that's a maintenance problem." A woman who is 1 month pregnant falls into a deep coma. 3 months after giving birth, she wakes up and asks the doctor about her baby. Doctor: "Well, I have good news and bad news for you. Which would you like to hear first?" Woman: "Of course, the good news." Doctor: "You had twins, both girls, and they're both fine. Luckily, your brother was here to name them." Woman: "Oh, that drummer. What did he name the girls?" Doctor: "Anna 1, Anna 2.